Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to copy equation from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word without the equation scattering or losing its format. First, I will open the ChatGPT website and type in my equation. After the equation is generated, I will copy the equation and paste in Microsoft Word. As you can see, the equation is scattered when I copy and paste. To solve this problem, I will go to Google and search for ChatGPT to PDF Word extension. So I'll search for ChatGPT to Word extension. And I'll click on the first one here. When I click on it, you can see add to Chrome. I'll click on add to Chrome, add extension. Once that is done, I will refresh the generated equation. I will refresh the ChatGPT page. Once the page is done refreshing, if you look below here, you will see the Microsoft Word icon. Just click on it. When you click on it, it's creating documents from response. Just hold on. You save it to your preferred destination. Once you save, you can now open the downloaded document. As you can see, the equation is intact. This method saves time and keeps your equation properly formatted for assignment, project, and professional documents. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.